Good morning to one and all. Myself, Dr. Radhika, working as Associate Professor in the Department of Agricultural Engineering, SNCT, Coimbatore. Today, we are going to discuss 4th unit Agronomy Field Crops. The topic is Crop Rotation Technology Finger Millet. Let's see one by one. Finger millet. The scientific name of finger millet, Eleusina coracanea. Then, introduction about the finger millet. Finger millet is an annual plant widely grown as a cereal. Originally native to the Ethiopian highlands, cultivated in more than 25 countries in Africa, eastern and southern side, Asia from near east to far eastern side. As a stable food grain is a finger millet. The major producers are Uganda, India, Nepal and China. And then nutrient composition of finger millet. The moisture content of the finger millet is 13 to 24%. The protein content of the finger millet is 7.6%. The carbohydrate percentage of the finger millet is 74.736% of carbohydrate present in the finger millet. Then fiber content is 1.52%. Mineral is 2.35% present in the finger millet. Fat content is 1.35% present in the finger millet. Finally, the energy content of the finger millet is 341.6 calorie per 100 gram of finger millet. Then scientific classification of finger millet. Kingdom is Plantae. Then order is Poales. Family is Poaceae. Then subfamily is Chloridae, Idae. Genus Eleusinae. Species Eleusinae coracanea. Botanical name Eleusinae coracanea. Then ecological requirement. The ecological requirement is nothing but climatic conditions. Finger millet grows best with medium rainfall. Annual temperature ranges 11 to 27 degrees Celsius. Then it's cultivated in very low relatively humidity conditions. Then let us see the soil conditions of finger millet. Soil conditions is well trained soil, silt loam soils better for well trained soils like silty loam soil is suitable for cultivation of finger millet. Grows well on reddish brown earth, calcic red yellow, latosol, sandy regosols. Soil pH is 5.0 to 8.2 is ideal for cultivation of finger millet. Then let's see recommended varieties. The varieties are Ravi and Ravana. Ravi is days to maturity is 90 to 100 days. Ravana also maturity days is 90 to 100 days. Then land preparation. The land preparations of finger millet traditionally grown on Chenas during Maha seasons, usually planted without land preparation. Any preparation is needed for finger millet. Soil is worked on to fine tilt with a disc harrow or mammootty for higher yield. Upland seeds should be planted in moist soil and protected them biological hazards. Then let us see seed establishment can done in 3 ways. First one is broadcasting, second one is row seeding, third one transplanting. In Sri Lanka, normally done broadcasting method. In row seedings are sown with 30 centimeter spacing. In transplanting, 20 to 25 days old seedling can be transplanted is best for cultivation of finger millet. Then let's see fertilizer application. There are basal applications. Urea is 50 kg per hectare is used for fertilizer application used for the finger millet crop. TSP is 50 kg per hectare. TSP means dry super phosphate. Then MOP means muriate of potash. 50 kg per hectare is used for the finger millet cultivation. Then top dressing apply of 50 kg, remaining 50 kg per hectare of urea is applied at 3 to 4 weeks after planting. To apply fertilizer, there should be moisture in the soil is very much essential. Then let's see irrigations. The irrigation requirement of crop is irrigate the field once in every 4 to 5 days until seedling are established. During dry period, supplementary irrigation is provided at weekly intervals. Raised beds or the basin system can be adapted for irrigations. Then let's see weed control method. Finger millet seedlings are slow growing and require weed-free environment for 45 days to develop vigorous plants. Seedling in rows facilities, it's very best method for weed control. Hand weeding twice 10th or 20th day after transplanting is very much essential for weed control. Then let's see the harvesting. Finger millet matures about 3 to 5 months times. 80% of ears become brown in color can be identified as harvesting is ready to harvest. Moist labor intensive operation of the production. The ripe heads are individually picked with knife. Then dried in the sun and clean hard ground. Good care is needed to prevent any physical mixing during harvesting and drying. When heads are dried enough, then can be threshed and winnowed. The average yield is 1324 kg per hectare. Thank you one and all.